Hello my beautiful angels, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have an unboxing. I saw on the Benefit website that they were doing like a mystery box, which cost £40, free shipping, and it's the value of over £100. So I jumped on it. I'm a big fan of Benefit. I've got a few of their eyebrow products, a blush. No, I've got 2 blushes, I think, bronzer, a couple of highlights. So I thought I would give this a try. So I'm wearing gloves. It's bloody boiling outside, so if my hands start looking a bit sweaty, then that's why. I'm wearing gloves because I took off my nails, but I didn't soak them off. I bloody bit them off, and it's taken like a couple of layers of my actual nail. So I'm disguising them with these gloves. So let's just crack on. So the box came today. Now I've I've undone the box just to save a little bit of time, but I haven't actually gone inside. So okay, that is invoice. Let's just stick that there. Oops. So it comes with this leaflet. Make poor decisions. Okay, so it's just showing you some of their products. So cute. Oh look, the tissue paper is really cute. Oh, and I got a couple of samples as well. Shit, sorry if I just gave you whiplash. Right, I'll put the box to the side. Let's move that. So here's the box. So you can get 2 free samples. So I ordered the Professional Hydrate Primer. I have tried the Pore Primer, which is really nice. I had like a little sample, and I think I ended up giving it to my daughter. Yeah, I don't really have like large pores, so I wanted to try this Hydrate Primer, so I'm excited to try that. And also as well as their buoying concealers. I like that you get different tones. Yeah, so that's pretty great. I'm excited to try that. Right, now onto the goodies. I need something to open this box because it has a sticker. Okay, give me a second. Right, we're in. Oh wow. So we've got oh wow. So I've got another concealer. That's great. Like that. Oh my goodness, there is a lot in here. Oh, there is a lot. Right, let's stick that to the side. What is that? Let's Go Gorgeous. Oh, I think it's like a luggage label. Oh, that's quite cute, isn't it? Look, and then you could put your name, address, telephone number. That's nice. Okay. This, oh my goodness. Look what I was just saying. I wanted to try it. I really hope I like this. Limited edition jumbo size. Oh wow. I know this is expensive. I've looked. I'm not sure about the jumbo. Jesus, it's huge. 44ml. That's a big boy. I don't know if it's the jumbo or the large, but I know it was like 40 odd quid. So that in itself has paid for my box. Then we have Fluff Up Brow Wax. It's a mini. I'm so into my brows at the moment. Oh, look at the packaging. How bloody cute. So is it? Oh, it's like a creamy colour. Doesn't smell of anything. I'm excited to give that a go. 12-hour wear, waterproof. 93% say it's easily feathered brows. I'm excited to give that a go. We have Goof Proof Brow Pencil. I have the... oh, I don't know what it's called. Oh, shit. Dropping everything. What's this called? Precise My Brow Pencil. I have that in the shade 4. This is in the shade 3. Warm Light Brown. Cushion Goof Proof Tip. Pointed end defines, wide tip fills. Okay, so it's a weird shape. Let's have a little look. Okay, this is plasticky, where the other one looks more metal. Okay, not really a fan of the shape, but I mean, I'll give it a try. Don't knock it until you tried it. So there's that. Okay, then we got Roller Lash Black Mascara. I have not tried any of them. Have I tried any of their mascara? Oh, no, I don't think I have. Oh, this is cute. I'm not going to open it because I've got a few mascaras actually on the go, but from the picture there is the bristle, the brush, I mean. So yeah, happy to receive that. They're Real Magnet. Powerful lifting and lengthening mascara. Supercharged black. That now reminds me of, you know, the Maybelline drama that happened on TikTok. So yeah, I mean, I'm not going to open it again. I've got, oh, that's beautiful. Oh, look at that. Love that. So excited to give that a go. I love mascara. Oh, got a cute little, is this a key ring? Let's open this. Just use your teeth. That's cute. So it says benefit here. And then be a badass with good brows. That's kind of cute. Oh, and then we've got 2 things left. This is the Professional Pore Primer. Yeah, this is the one I've used. Oh, that's cute. Look at that compared to this one. I mean, that is bloody adorable. I'll give this to my daughter because I don't have pores, but yeah, that's a cute little thing. And then lastly, Scala. Not Scala, Starla. Reach for the stars. Sweep this rosy bronze blush on your cheeks for a warm, twinkly glow and satin finish. I need something to open that. Here we go. Wow. Looks a little bit orangey, doesn't it? I mean, if it's no good for me, I will give it to my daughter. But we shall see. So yeah, that is everything in the box. I am proper made up with that, because that I know costs about 40 odd quid. It's not cheap at all, so I literally got all that. Love it. I'm really, really happy with this box. And my little samples here. Really, really chuffed with that. Yeah, I'll leave the link down below where you can get it from. I mean, obviously from Benefit, but 40 quid, bargain. So if you're into your makeup, then jump on over there. Right, that is it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. Take great care of yourselves, and you'll see me in my next one. Bye bye.